In this video, I'm going to show you how I make this jig, which is meant to drill dowels for making a brand new door for my office. Now, I'm in the process of building a door for my office. And the challenge with building a door is you really have to have good joinery. You really have to have some strong joints in order for the door not to fall apart and to be durable and sturdy with all the pulling that you're going to be doing. The problem that I have is that most of the joinery that I do is for small things that don't require a lot of strength. But because the door needs that strength, I need to come up with a solution. So I have this doweling jig, and it's meant to drill a hole into a piece of wood. You clamp it down, it drills a hole. There's actually two holes here, and then you can flip it over and do the other side, and it allows you to drill holes straight into wood on both sides so you can join them together with a dowel. The thing is this dowel is only 3/8 of an inch, which isn't very thick and isn't very strong, definitely not strong enough for a door that's going to have a lot of pulling action. So I need something thicker. A lot of times when people make doors, they'll use a domino, which is a tool that drills out mortises. But because I don't have that, I don't have other mortising jigs, and I don't want to take the time to do it by hand, I decided to come up with a solution similar to that doweling jig, but in a much bigger scale. My jig consists of 3 parts. The first is a block of wood, which is the same thickness as my door. The second is a metal bushing, which guides the drill as it drills the hole for the dowel. And the third is a piece of wood on the top, which aids in clamping and has a line which helps in lining up the holes. All right, now is the moment of truth to see if this thing works. There it is. Now it's time for me to tackle my door. Be sure to check out a future video where I use this jig to drill dowels to build my door. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. I hope that you liked the video. Add a comment if you have a question, or hey, if you didn't like it, add a comment and tell me why. That'll help me improve my videos in the future and improve my projects in the future.